Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of TheTofuChef.
Today we're gonna bring you a very special ingredient.
Crispy fried tofu.
But made into a dessert.
In a very creative way.
Hope you like it.
Let's get started!
We are the
TofuChef! Before we dive in, let's talk about the tofu we use for a moment. Called 油豆腐, fried tofu in the south, or 豆腐泡, tofu bubble in the north. Crispy tofu is made from deep frying firm tofu and is believed to contain a good amount of protein, amino acids, and non-saturated fats. Crispy tofu is typically used for savory dishes, but today we defy this tradition and get creative with a sweet dessert.
First, we're going to make vegan custard. For half a cup of vegan custard, we use 250 milliliters soy milk, or technically any type of plant-based milk, a quarter cup of granulated sugar, and a quarter cup of coconut cream.
And don't forget the thickening agent, cornstarch powder. The amount will determine the texture or the thickness of the final product.
Pour part of the soy milk in a bowl. Put in sugar, cornstarch, coconut cream, and whisk till the lumps disappear.
Pour the remaining soy milk into a pot and bring it to a simmer. Pour the other mixture and keep stirring. Simmer for about 5 minutes also, or till the mixture has thickened to a desired thickness. If you want it to be thicker, just simmer for longer. Bear in mind that as it cools down, it will get even thicker.
The cooled mixture will inevitably get some lumps because of cornstarch. It actually gives an interesting texture. But of course, you can use an electric whisk to remove most lumps and achieve a smoother paste-like custard.
For flavoring, add in half teaspoon of vanilla extract. We also played with some matcha powder to make a green matcha flavored custard.
Next, we process fried tofu. The crispy skin is to mimic the pastry dough for traditional cream puffs. But hey, this is vegan and it's more fun.
Immerse them in hot water for a minute or two to get rid of the oil on the skin. Pat dry. And cut in half. Slightly tear the two sides apart and poke a finger to make a hole. Feel free to remove some of the white tofu in the middle if the skins are too thick.
Tuck in a small roll of foil and pan fry till golden crispy. The foil balls prevent two sides from sticking together and also pass heat quickly, so the inside layer is also cooked a bit. This process further takes away the moist and makes the skin very crispy, just like a regular puff.
Finally, squeeze the custard into the fried tofu. You could have used a piping bag, but lazy people as we are, a spoon and a chopstick would also work. Just make sure the tofu are completely filled.
Now time for creative thinking and cleaning up your pantry. Top with whatever fruit in season, powder sugar, and plate however you desire.
Okay, so this is the tofu puff with vegan custard. Looks pretty amazing.
and it's a bite food, so
Finger food.
yes.
Cheers. Not too sweet, very good consistency. And I think the blueberry on top is just absolutely a good touch.
Tastes even better than a real deal,
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
So if you're looking forward to more tofu-based recipes, please stay tuned and subscribe and like our video.
We'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time. Bye.